If you're suffering from a chronic neck tension and the pain that doesn't get better with the stretching, massaging, heating pack, or ice pack, then this movement series is for you. And not only this will help you improve your neck pain and tension, this will help you understand your body and the better movement from the inside out so that you can help yourself and live your life more comfortably and confidently in the future. So let's get into today's movement retraining. All right, let's get started. Let's grab a chair and go ahead and sit on the front edge of the chair. Let's start readjusting your sitting posture by rounding, arching your back, rolling your pelvis forward, rolling your pelvis back a few times, and just to find the middle or somewhat neutral sitting posture. Once you find it, just stay there, and from there, we're going to start this exercise. Go ahead and bring your right arm up about a shoulder height. If that's too high, just go down a little bit. Just do the movements of slowly and gently raise your right arm up to the shoulder height and past the shoulder height. And as you do that, follow with your eyes in your head. And take your hand on your chest and encourage your chest to move along with your arm. And keep your hand kind of soft and relaxed. You don't tense it. And by now, go ahead and start to go past overhead and then begin to turn your chest to the right. And you can also invite your neck into turn as well. Again, this is about integration. This is about a coordination and connections. Allow your chest to turn as you are moving your arm a little bit further, sweeping your arm up and then around and turn it and reaching, starting to turn to the right and starting to reach behind. But it is important that you actually are going to allow your neck and the head to turn. Okay, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, and please be sure to subscribe and hit the bell button. Thank you, and let's continue now. So it's really not about the shoulder movement, it's not about the neck movement, it is about the whole connections and integration, right? Even though I'm using the movement of your arm and to help improve the function of the neck. Now let's change the directions. Now you're going to sweep your arm back. Watch how I'm following with my head, my eyes, and my chest, and my pelvis too. It's the whole body connections that helps and redistribute the movement effort evenly throughout the whole body. That's important because a lot of people overwork the neck and really place a lot of strain and effort through the neck unevenly, and that's not really healthy, right? And you do that repetitively throughout day-to-day activities. So let's improve how you use your neck by integrating your neck with more parts of your body. So go ahead and continue to sweep the arm in a circle. You shouldn't feel strain in your neck. You shouldn't feel strain in your shoulders. You may have to modify the range of motion for this movement depending on whether you have a limitation around your shoulder or not. Don't force it. Don't make it uncomfortable. It doesn't matter how far you move. It's not about the range of motion. So your body's not going to move the same way as my body does. So you do have to pay attention to your own body and then find a way to improve the movement patterns within your own body. And that's really the key thing. It's not a stretching exercise. This is an exercise to improve your movement patterns in order to improve your neck tension and pain. So now you can switch to the other arm. And one arm is more coordinated, probably. So the same ideas, you can start with either direction of the circles, but you don't go right into the circles. You can start with the small circles, small range, and then progress into the full circle if you are able to. Once in a while, check your breathing, and once in a while, and check whether you're contracting your abdominal muscles, your core muscles, because that's not really helpful when it comes to the neck or when it comes to just a general movement and the quality. So allow your spine to move by just keeping your breathing free, keeping your abdominal muscles free, so that you can allow your rib cage, your spine, the whole spine to move and coordinate. Then you can do with the both arms, doing like a backstroke of the swimming. You can do the front or the crawl stroke, freestyle as well. This is like a Tai Chi movement practice. It's kind of fun and functional movements. And after you're done, both sides, and we're going to check how your neck feels. And hopefully you're feeling pretty good around your neck. I want to let you know that you can join my free masterclass, Path to Comfort, Confidence, and Authenticity in Your Body. And this is an overview of my comprehensive movement course called Understanding How Your Body Moves Method. If you want to submit your application to this course, and you can do so in the masterclass. So I hope to see you inside the masterclass.